Welcome to Costa del Golfo Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe. This is probably the most exciting and fun part for me. We are landscaping with these gorgeous, I'm not sure if they're basalt, but they're the black lava rock that had been blown from the volcanoes and landed on top of the ground. As you can see, there's no pebbles or rocks. We just have these giant boulders. And Marcelino is moving him for us. And I'm so excited because I'm a rock hound. I don't know, I'll probably show some videos of my rocks, but I'm from New York, and I did a lot of Herkimer diamond mining while I was in New York, and I've got some beautiful crystals and rocks. So I'm a rock hound, I'm a collector, and this is one of my largest collections. So I'm very excited to be able to sculpt with these rocks. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and watch for more progress shots.